Assalamu alaikum. We have brought you video number 2 of Alif Mada and Alif. Watch these herbs, listen, learn, and use them according to your needs.
Aria, aria. Wormwood, aftimum. Castorian, ashen sakbi. Acacia, acacia. Calotropis, aak. Vidania, somnifera, aksan. White sweet lotus, akilul mulk. Spanwood, alu patang. Common water crowfoot, alhar bila. Winter cherry, almond. Potato, aloo. Prunus cherry, alucha. Mango, aam. Licorice, aslul soos. Plum, aloo bukhara.
See you in the next video with some new herb. Until then, subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon, share our videos to your friends.